insert your imprint into text messages. If you are using an iPhone, you need to use Safari as your web browser for this installation process. Once installed, you can continue using the browser of your choice. The first step is to sign into your Signasource account on your mobile device. Go to signasource.com, then click Login in the upper right corner. Type in both your username and password, then click Submit. Now that you are logged in, scroll down to Advanced Options and click the arrow on the right. Next, click on Copy Imprint. Then click on your mobile device's Share button. The Share button resembles a box with an arrow pointing out from the top. Once clicked, choose Add to Home Screen. Then click Add in the upper right corner. Your shortcut is now added to your home screen. All you need to do to copy your imprint for text messages is click on the Signasource icon on your home screen. Once clicked, click on Copy Imprint below the image of your imprint. You have now copied your imprint and are ready to paste the imprint into any text messages of your choice.